Introducing the Generate Quiz add-on, a super easy tool that allows your website visitors to create their own quizzes from the front end. They can simply choose their preferred categories, pick the number of questions, set a timer, and click Generate. And just like that, their custom quiz is ready to go. Whether you want to engage your audience, gather feedback, or test knowledge, the Generate Quiz add-on makes it all happen quickly and easily. So let's go and check how the add-on works. As you can see, the Quizmaker plugin is already installed and activated. So let's go and install the Generate Quizzes add-on to see how it works. As you can see, right after the installation of the Generate Quiz add-on, we head to the General Settings, Shortcodes tab, and here a new shortcode has been added, which is called Generate Quiz Settings. The add-on is very easy to use. All we need to do is to customize the following shortcode the way we prefer. Let's discuss each of these shortcode attributes one by one. Here we can see that we can filter the shortcode either by quiz or a category. If we choose the method by quiz, the system will show all the quizzes mentioned by IDs. And if we choose the method by category, the shortcut will show all quizzes assigned to the given quiz category. If you choose by quiz method, then you can go to the quizzes page. And here you can see the ID of the quiz. If you choose the category method, then you can go to the quiz categories page. And here you can see the IDs for each quiz category. You can take them from here. The next attribute is ID. For this attribute, you will need to insert the IDs of the given quizzes or the categories. If there are multiple IDs, you will need to separate them by commas. For the column's name, you need to provide the names for your columns that will be displayed on the front end. For example, if the quizzes refer to mathematics or history topic, then you can write mathematics, semicolon, and history here. As you can understand, you will need to separate the columns' names by semicolons. For the columns per count, you will need to choose the count of the quizzes in each column if you choose by quiz method. And if you choose by category, here you will need to provide the count of the categories in each column. And for the show questions count, you will need to decide whether you want to show the questions number for each quiz or not. And here you can see two options that are responsible for the colors. With the main color, you can specify the color of the background columns names and generate button. And with the secondary color, you can specify the color of the background categories names. We can leave the colors like this. As you can see, I have already created quiz categories. To add a new category, you can just click on the Add New button. We will display the category 1 and category 2 for the shortcode. As you can see, I have already applied these categories to the quizzes. Let's open the quiz and see how to apply the category to it. Here you can see the category option and the drop-down from where I have inserted a category. As we're done with the discussion of the shortcode attributes, we can just click it. Then go to our desired post or a page, whatever you prefer. Add new post and insert the shortcode in a post and write a title. For example, Generate Quizzes. Here we will choose to configure the shortcode by category, so we will delete this part. Here we need to write the IDs of the quiz categories. We can go to the quiz categories page, and here we will need to write 10 and 12, like this, with commas. For the column's name, I will write, for example, education, semicolon, and health. I will specify how many categories will be displayed in each column. That will be 1 for each of them. And I will decide to show questions count for each quiz, so we can leave the on option. So we click on a publish button here and open our shortcode on the front end. Here is the shortcode display on the front end. Here we can choose the questions count, as you can see. And then we can specify the time for the quiz. And from the list, we can choose the quiz we want. For example, we will choose this one and click on the generate quiz button. Here we will need to write the name and email. And click on the next button. Then we can pass the quiz. As you can see, the result message guides us to go to the quizzes page to access the generated quiz. And here we can see the generated quiz, so we click and open it. And here we can customize the quiz the way we prefer. As you can see, it has 10 items. We can, for example, write another title for the quiz. We can fully change the style, settings, etc. Generate Quiz add-on works with free and all pro versions of the Quizmaker plugin, and you need to install it separately. That's all. It's an easy and fun way to let your visitors create personalized quizzes right from the front end. If you still have any questions related to the add-on's functionality, feel free to contact the support team, as they are always ready to help you.